VideoEdge 5.3 security has changed. Customers now have the ability to choose the VideoEdge security mode best suited to their needs. In standard security mode, changing the default VideoEdge passwords is not mandatory. Universal plug-and-play and Linux support account access are enabled by default. The latest release of our VideoEdge software brings you an optional enhanced security mode to reinforce the security of your organization's data. Selecting enhanced security mode will bring you to the user accounts page of the VideoEdge setup wizard. From here, you must create a number of new user accounts for your VideoEdge system. This is mandatory when using enhanced security mode in VideoEdge, with the exception of the optional NVR account. By default, HTTPS only mode is enforced when you choose enhanced security mode. Universal plug-and-play and access to the Linux support account are also disabled by default. If you wish to grant access to the American Dynamics support team, you must explicitly do so. To enable support access, use the System menu in the VideoEdge Administration interface to navigate to the System Passwords page. From here, you can easily enable or disable support access as required, irrespective of the security mode you have selected for your VideoEdge. Enhanced security mode in VideoEdge 5.3. A vital part of your world.